Maggie here.
Kay behind the camera.
Okay, we're going to just do a quick page layout using our photo slots and the dumbbell die. Okay, before we start, I'm doing 2 flaps that open out, just showing you the difference with burnishing well. That's a really well burnished flap. That's been burnished a little bit, but you can see it's nowhere near.
You'll put it in the centre a bit. That's
You
it.
can see it's nowhere near as flat. So I'm just going to give it a good burnishing, or a good flattening, as it were. That's better, that's much flatter. Okay, so here's our page. I'm going to have 1 flap here and 1 flap.
We'll bring it up towards me, or do we drop it down?
How's that?
Yeah,
Is that better?
That's dead centre, yeah.
Okay, right. I'm just going to stick these first. You can use double-sided tape, or you can use bookbinding glue. So I'm just going to stick these onto here first of all. Line them up, make sure the edges are lined up. Okay, and I'll take the other one and line that up here. Once I've finished this album, we'll do a walkthrough of it. This is using the remainder of the paper that we had. Okay. Right, so that's my flap there. Now, closure-wise, you could either have 2 magnets there, which I may do. You could have your swivel die here with a magnet that then swivels open, and that opens there like that, and then that one would open. But this time I'm going to use my dumbbell die, and I have actually got some already cut out and they're mounted on architape. So I don't know, it's difficult because the camera's not very happy with black at the moment, but we've got like a scored edge. Take one of these.
All I can see is a blank bit.
Okay. So I've got 2 pieces of two bits of the dumbbell stuck out, and I'm going to. I did have them on artist tape, but I don't think I've got enough on there, so we'll just put a bit more on. That's better. Okay, and then I'm going to put. You could cut this out of architape as well. I'm just doing it with card this time, in case you don't have artist tape. Architape. Okay, put that one on there. Stuck to me. And we'll put that one on
So
there.
why are you using the glue? Because they're that powerful.
Yes, it is powerful. Yeah, okay. So that needs to stick on there now. So again, I would be doing this with architape, but you can use your PVA glue, or double-sided tape will work. You may find that works a bit better. Okay, just give that time to stick. Okay. So that's on there like that. Was that the computer again? Ooh, it's that phantom thing, Kate.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Done it twice, only twice.
Yeah. Right, so what we need to do now is more magnets. And I'm just going to find out the polarity of this one. So have that up that way. Drop your magnet on. That's fine. So that one's going to go. That's on there. That's going to go on there. Like that. And I'm going to lift that one up. Double-sided tape. Exactly the same thing. I want to find out, that one could come up there, so that can go on there. I want to find the polarity of my magnet. So you put your, if you've already got a magnet in, put your tape on there, sticky side up, and just allow your magnet to drop on. So we'll move that up. Okay, so that's like that. So now I'm going to put that like that, and that's going to go there like that. Okay, so that is my closure. Now, so I can swivel it if I want, swivel it that way, I can swivel it that way, or I can lift it off altogether. Okay, so that's a different way of using this one. So what we'll do is we'll take that off. On the front here, I'm going to put my mats, and you can see I've got the paper here, and this is the next size photo mat up. And I've already inked the edges. So don't stick where you can see the bits of cream card coming out, because that's your photo mat. So you can put your journaling in there. On those mats you can put your photos in. Paola had a really nice thing. She said if you take the mats out, you can write secret journaling behind that's not open to everybody else having a look at it. And you can see that I've got a little arrow, so I know I've got my pattern going up the right way. So I'll pop that one on there. And then we'll do exactly the same on this side. So that's there. So theoretically that should close like that. Okay, and you could actually tuck it behind the pictures as well, so it'd be even more of a hidden feature. So that's in there. So this one, we're going to cover this on here like this. Again, these are a different size photo mat, again from the same set. Curved photo slots. I really like these though, because they're...
Yeah, do you want to take tape off? Or?
Yes, I will. I like these because they're a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Although we are bringing some, by request, we are bringing some larger ones, aren't we, Kay?
We are.
Okay, we'll just pop that there like that. We'll have a little pocket just along here. And when we do the walkthrough of the album, you'll see how I've decorated these sides, because I haven't got the papers with me at the moment. Okay, and then to tie it all in, pop another one here. This is just a little tiny strip. It all helps to add finishing touches. We'll pop that one there. Oh, it's going to need trimming a smidge. The reason I'm trimming it is because I can see it's going to clash with the flap. Okay, so that's that, that's that. We're going to pop that one on there, and then on here we've got a couple more little pieces. That's that one. And of course I'd finish off with glossy accents, and that's that one there. Okay, so that's that one, very simple. As I say, you can swivel it. You can also put two brads in, one each side, and use it as a little handle. So that's that one finished, and then I'm just going to show you where is Louise's. Okay, so this is what Louise has done with hers using the dumbbell. She's done exactly the same format there. Not sure if she's used it. Yes, here she's used it in a different way. She's stuck it down there with the small bit, and then that's lifted up with the magnet there as your handles there. And then the maestro of the dumbbell, I think we have to say, don't we, is Heather. So she's folded it over here. She's used architape for this, but she's folded it over and popped a brad in to make like a little holder. She's also use them here as a little holder like that, here, and then here, this is the other part of the die set, and this is the swivel part. So with that you get a mat like that, you get a smaller decorative circle that will mat on top, you pop your brad in and then you can swivel it and it creates more closures for you. So they're just really handy little things to have. I found that when I cut mine, I tended to cut 2 bases, stuck them together to give them a bit more strength, and that was it. So that's just to show you a couple of things that way.